Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing and it is La Mer. And of course, the first thing I grabbed is the pouch. I personally love it and I'm gonna make it into an evening bag. Next we have this amazing keychain. Beautiful. Let's unbox. Now this is what I purchased, which is the oil exfoliator and the cleansing foam. Now all of these are samples, free things that came with it. And these little under eyes, oh my god, I can't wait to try it. Now this, I'm not sure what it does, but I'm gonna figure it out. To me, it looks like something you put under your eye or like a spoon stir, I'm not sure, but I don't have an idea. Now that's all I got for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!